Are you wondering where your hard-earned money goes every month? Many of us don't realize how much we spend on small, unnecessary expenses that add up over time. In this video, we'll dive into 5 common ways people waste money and how to avoid these financial traps. By the end, you'll be equipped with practical tips to save more and spend smarter. Let's get started. 1. Daily coffee runs. Let's start with something most of us love, coffee. Grabbing a cup of coffee every morning from your favorite cafe might seem like a small indulgence, but it adds up fast. Imagine spending $5 a day on coffee. Over the course of a month, that's $150, and in a year, it's a whopping $18. Think of what you could do with that money. Pay off debt, take a vacation, or boost your savings. Instead of buying coffee daily, consider brewing it at home. Invest in a good coffee maker and some quality beans, and you'll save a significant amount while still enjoying your caffeine fix. 2. Dining out frequently. We all love the convenience of eating out, whether it's dining at a restaurant or ordering takeout after a long day. But this convenience comes at a premium. Eating out regularly can cost hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a year. For example, a single meal at a restaurant might cost $20, while cooking the same meal at home might only cost $5. Meal prepping is a great way to save both time and money. By planning your meals and cooking in batches, you can avoid the temptation of takeout and save a lot of cash in the process. 3. Unused subscriptions and memberships. How many subscriptions are you paying for right now? Streaming services, gym memberships, premium apps. These recurring charges can quietly drain your bank account. The truth is, many of us forget about subscriptions we no longer use. For example, that gym membership you signed up for in January might still be charging you even if you haven't stepped inside the gym in months. Take a moment to review your bank statements or use apps that track subscriptions. Cancel any memberships or services you don't use regularly. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save just by being more intentional with your subscriptions. 4. Buying brand name products. From groceries to clothing, many of us are guilty of choosing brand name products over their generic counterparts. But did you know that generic products are often just as good, if not identical, to brand name items? For example, store brand cereal, cleaning supplies, and medications usually have the same ingredients as their pricier alternatives. By switching to generic brands, you can save a considerable amount on your everyday purchases without sacrificing quality. The next time you shop, compare prices and give the store brand a try. It could make a big difference in your budget. 5. Impulse purchases. Retailers are experts at encouraging us to spend. Flash sales, enticing displays, and limited time offers all make it tempting to buy things we don't need. These impulse purchases might seem harmless, but over time, they can significantly impact your finances. For example, picking up a $20 gadget here and a $30 pair of shoes there adds up quickly. To combat this, try implementing the 24-hour rule. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait a day and see if you still want it. Often, you'll realize you don't need it after all. Being mindful of your spending can help you resist these temptations and keep your budget intact. It's easy to let small expenses slip through the cracks, but by being more mindful, you can take control of your finances. Let's recap the 5 ways most people waste money: daily coffee runs, dining out frequently, unused subscriptions, buying brand name products, and impulse purchases. Addressing these areas doesn't mean you have to give up everything you enjoy. Instead, it's about finding smarter, more cost-effective ways to spend. Start small, make consistent changes, and watch how these adjustments can improve your financial health over time. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Let us know in the comments, which of these habits are you planning to change? Until next time, spend smart and save wisely.